Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, July 27th. The Zen story for today is titled The Fish Who Refused Enlightenment. The cat had been watching the pond for an hour. The surface shimmered under the early morning sun. Beneath the lily pads, koi swam in lazy loops, orange, white, black, and gold, like molten jewels adrift in a quiet sky. The temple cat's purrs and meows, soft as breath through a flute, usually filled the air as it watched the koi below. But this morning there was only stillness, only the hunt. One fish, fat, slow, suspiciously self-important, glided just beneath the surface, moving as if it owned the whole pond. The cat tracked it, eyes narrowing, tail twitching in slow, mechanical intervals. Paw lifted, held, held. Then splash! The paw sliced the water with the elegance of a falling brick. The fish darted aside with all the effort it had. It surfaced, calm as stone, and stared directly at the dripping cat. The cat, wide-eyed and soaked to the whiskers, stiffened as the fish spoke, its voice strangely deep, almost theatrical. "Ah, seeker of fleeting truths," the fish intoned, swiveling slowly to face the cat head-on. "Do you come again, like all who thirst for wisdom, only to muddy the waters with your trembling paw?" The cat blinked once, twice. The fish floated closer, raising a single fin dramatically. "I know what you seek," it continued, pausing for effect. "You think I'm a symbol, a shimmering metaphor, the golden gate to enlightenment itself, right?" The cat leaned lower, muscles tense. "But I refuse," the fish declared, slapping its tail on the surface with the flair of a street performer. "Do you hear me? I refuse enlightenment. Too slippery for my fins, too drafty for my scales. I'd rather nibble algae than nibble at nirvana." The cat's ear twitched. "You monks and your questions," the fish sneered, circling with exaggerated loops. "What is the sound of one fin flapping? What is the color of no color? What nonsense! I would rather debate the virtues of pond scum." The cat, losing its composure, swatted the water again, missed, and in frustration began chasing its own tail, spinning in a ridiculous whirl, eyes wide with disbelief. The monks seated nearby noticed the ruckus. "Did you hear that?" one whispered. "I think the fish is teaching," another replied gravely. A third stroked his chin. "Perhaps it's testing our grasp of non-attachment." Meanwhile, the fish wasn't done. It lifted itself half out of the water, balancing awkwardly on its tail like some bloated aquatic sage addressing an invisible audience. "I am the unsolvable riddle, the unpluckable fruit, the untasted soup," it roared. "And if this temple dares call me a lesson, let the lesson be this: let me be free of your meanings." With that, the fish flipped into the air with a flamboyant twist, spraying the cat from head to tail. It left behind a single, glistening bubble, rising, 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 pop, right on the cat's nose. Soaked, dripping, eyes wide with what could only be described as existential defeat, the cat sat frozen on the stone edge of the pond. The monks watched in reverent silence. Finally, one leaned toward the others and whispered, "Maybe the fish is the master?" No one laughed. No one spoke. The cat licked its paw once, slowly, as though it had never understood anything less or more. And somewhere beneath the lily pads, The fish swam in slow, absurd circles, entirely, gloriously uncatchable. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. If you'd like, close your eyes gently, and then take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. Have you ever tried so hard to find meaning that you missed the moment itself? Have you ever tried so hard to find meaning that you missed the moment itself? And now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. Have you ever tried so hard to find meaning that you missed the moment itself? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.